Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply sign up or create your Spotify account. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is go and select a web browser of your preference and open it up. Once it opens up, all you need to do is go in the search button and type in the URL of Spotify, which is www.open.spotify.com. After you type in the correct URL, you will be redirected to its page. Once your Spotify page opens up, you can find the sign up button besides the login button on the right hand side of the screen. So now you simply need to click on the sign up button, which will then lead you to its sign up interface. Now all you need to do is type in an email address which has not been previously used to create any other Spotify account. After you type in your email address, all you need to do is create a strong password to secure your profile. After you are filling up both the sectors, now you need to fill in your profile name or set in your username. Once you fill in these three boxes, now you need to insert your date of birth. After typing in your date of birth, you need to select your gender, or you can even prefer not to say it. After these steps are done, you need to tick on the I agree the terms and conditions box and click on the sign up option. So after clicking the sign up option, in few seconds you will be redirected to its home screen as your new Spotify account has been created. So to check your profile, you can simply click on file icon on the top right hand side and click on profile. Now here you can simply see that your new Spotify account has been signed up. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these easy tutorials. Thank you for watching.